In this video, I'll show you how to load a nail gun. There are different types of nail guns and their exact loading mechanism can vary, but they all follow a similar technique as shown in this video. First, disconnect the nail gun from any power source such as an air compressor or battery pack, depending on the type of nail gun you're using. Then locate the nail magazine. It is the part that holds the nails. It's usually located at the bottom or on the side of the nail gun. Push the release button, slide it open and pull it back until it locks in place. Take a strip of nails and align it with the nail magazine, ensuring that the nail heads face the nail gun's nose. Slide the nail strip into the magazine until it stops. Make sure the nails are firmly in place and properly aligned. To avoid jams and misfires, use the right size and type of nails for your nail gun. Using the wrong nails can lead to costly repairs. Always check the manufacturer's guidelines for the correct nail specifications. Once loaded, close the nail magazine by pushing it forward until it clicks into place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's securely locked. Now you're ready to reconnect your nail gun to the power source for the job. Before using it on a project, test it. Point the nail gun to a scrap piece of wood and fire a test nail. If the nail is fired successfully without any issues, then you're good to go. For a quick reference, here's a recap of the steps. First, prepare your nail gun by disconnecting it from the power source. Locate the nail magazine and open it. Load the nails, ensuring proper alignment. Close the nail magazine securely. Test the nail gun to confirm it's working properly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more woodworking tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.